Good morning, class 6 students. Students, today we are going to do the revision of chapter number 4 in the earliest cities. Question number 1. How do archaeologists know that the cloth was used in the Harappa civilization? Students, the archaeologists knew that the clothes were used in the Harappa civilization because actual pieces of clothes were found attached to the lid of silver vase and some copper objects at Mohenjo-daro. They found that some of the silver vase, the lid was attached with a cloth, and they have also found the spindle wood and made up of terracotta, which was used to spin the thread. 2. Match the columns. Copper is found. At that time, copper was found in the state of Rajasthan. Gold was rich. Gold metal was found in Karnataka. Karnataka was a rich source of gold. Tin was a source of Afghanistan, and precious stones were found in Gujarat. Question number 3. Why were metal writing, the wheels and the plug important for the Harappa? Students, metal for making the tools. Metal was used for making the tools, ornaments and vessels. Writing for maintaining the record. Wheels were used as a means of transportation. Ploughing for tilling the land so that farming could be done. Question number 4. Make a list of all terracotta toys shown in the lesson. Which do you think children would have enjoyed playing with the most? Students, the list of terracotta shows in this lesson are animal figures, wheeled vehicles and toy plough. Children would have enjoyed playing with these vehicles most. Question number 5. Make a list of what the Harappa ate and put a tick mark against the thing you eat today. Students, as you know, the Harappa eat rice, wheat, barley, pulses, mustard peas, linen seeds, etc. And these things we eat today, even today also. The wheat, barley, pulses, all mustard seeds we eat today also. Question number 6. Do you think that the life of farmers and the herders who supplied food to the Harappa cities was different from that of the farmers and herders you read about it in chapter 3? Give reason for your answer. Students, the answer is the life of the farmers and the herders who supplied food to the Harappa cities was different from that of the farmers and herders in chapter 3 because in Harappa the farmers and herders did agriculture and domestication of animals in a more organized way. Harappa farmers used to do the agriculture and domestication of animals in a more organized way. They sold their surplus to meet the demand such as clothes, etc., while the farmers and herders in chapter 3 only produce for their own use. In chapter 3, the farmers and herders grow the crop for their own use. So this is the difference. Students, this completes your revision of chapter number 4, history. Thank you.